Hi there. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this page. Compliments of the season, guys. We are almost entering 2026. Guys, a lot will be going on in 2026. And guys, guess what? It is exclusive. Yes. Blessing CEO and her boo boo. Yes. IVD, the Lagos big boy. Guys, they are planning their big wedding already. And guys, watch this video. Blessing CEO took IVD officially to our family house, to our father, and they are doing a very big and sweet introduction. Guys, watch the video. You are going to love it. And congratulations to them. We can't wait to buy their Ashoebi. And yes, I want to be part of it. Guys, this is what I brought here. Bye for now.